What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. We're headed home, headed back to Michigan full-time. We're saying goodbye to Apartamento de Francesco, saying goodbye to Florida, at least in terms of being here on a regular basis, in and out for work and things like that. I'm really sad that the journey has come to an end, as I've touched on in the last video, but we're on to the next chapter. I don't know what it looks like, but I know God's got me in a good place and he's moving me where he needs me. So my faith is gonna lie there, and we're gonna carry on, we're gonna carry through, and we're gonna do it to the best that we can. So I'm excited. As much as I'm excited, I'm still obviously extremely sad. This is all super fresh, so I don't know if it's hit me yet, but definitely gonna miss everybody. But I will definitely be back. I will figure it out, because that's what we always do. I will keep my energy high. I will stay positive, even though we are sad. But you know, it's just time to go home, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. And yeah, so let's get home. Bunyan, one last time. Wait. Wait. Where's Paul Bunyan? That is so sad. He was like the first thing that was like a main staple of a landmark. There was a big guy that looked like Paul Bunyan, like a statue at that corner, and he's gone. He's gone, I'm gone. Symbolic. Yeah, wow. Full circle. Full circle. But the homie Adriana picked me up because I had to drop off the work car, and now I'm headed to the airport, and I also have to pee, and I have an hour till I board my plane. Actually, less than an hour. Fun fact, Adriana might be one of the worst drivers I know. We now have to say one of our hardest goodbyes that I wasn't looking forward to, but it's time. Gary, it's been mad real. I will miss you immensely. Don't look at me like that, I know it's sad. Goodbye. So in a natural turn of events, I got through security right on time. Literally 11:29, flight's about to start boarding, flight's delayed. Why does this always happen to me? Anyways, posted up at the gate now. We're gonna relax, vibe out, and hopefully get home. Also, just found out 23 degrees back home. Good thing I brought a hoodie. Only an hour later, but we're finally boarding.
Pre-boarding, welcome to board.
Thank you. All right, status update. We have landed. We're off the plane. We're in Detroit. It is very much 26 degrees outside. I'm freezing. We parked at the furthest part of the gate, and we have this long walk with this giant bag. An hour away from home. We're still going to my cousin's show tonight, party. Make sure you guys check them out. And yeah, we're just vibing. I need a coffee, I need food. Our pets' heads are falling off, so it's just a typical Saturday. So let's get home. You can tell I'm absolutely winded because I'm actually standing on one of these things and not walking. But I'm on my way to the parking garage, and I totally have no idea where I parked. Can't remember. I know what floor I'm on, but I'm pretty sure I didn't get my normal spot, so this might take me a while. I hope it doesn't. Plus, like, shorts, 26. I want to get in the car and get warm. Oh, Betty, I found you, baby girl. I believed myself the whole time, guys. I don't have my keys out. I needed to, like, read that they're near. Oh, there we go. Totally forgot to mention, my coworkers got me this really funny, really sweet Francesco zip-up hoodie. I do have that with me to keep me warm. It's actually not that bad out. You know, I didn't lose that Michigan tough skin for the cold, but also big brain me left my jacket in here, but it's also freezing, so we're just gonna rock the hoodie for now. But now I'm ready to go home. Let's go. Number 16 with cheese, no mayo, extra turkey. Yep, and add hot peppers, please. And then I'll do a large diet to drink, and that should be it. Thank you. If you need the superior order from Jimmy John's, that's what it is. You're welcome. And we have finally arrived home. Time to ring the doorbell, see Blue's reaction. We got the fellas all loaded up in the car. Christian, Ryan, Anthony, and John. We're at the gas station, getting as much gas as we need to fill this bad boy up. Got my cousin waters for a show. It's freezing out, and I'm getting in the car. All right, doors have officially opened. We're walking across the street. Time to go say what up to the cuz.
Get out of the wind.
Oh my God. Ryan, hold me. We are back at the Parental's Casa. Went and saw my cousin's band party. That video is probably gonna drop before I let this one drop. It was awesome to see my cousin up there. Taught himself how to play guitar, and like now he's playing shows like that. Just incredible to see. It's really awesome. So it was nice to be able to hang out with the boys, see my family again, see mom and dad, see Blue, and yeah, we're back in Michigan now. Gonna make the most of it, gonna have a great time, and the next chapter begins in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications. We got new videos Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and the podcast on Monday. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to have a great day and night. Don't forget to keep God number one. My battery's gonna die. God bless.